Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about, my Revolut PIN. Now, I know that a lot of people are curious about their Revolut PINs because they want to make sure that their money is safe. And I understand that. But I'm not going to tell you what my Revolut PIN is. Instead, I'm going to talk about why it's important to keep your Revolut PIN secret. And I'm also going to give you some tips on how to keep your PIN safe. So, let's get started. Why it's important to keep your Revolut PIN secret. Your Revolut PIN is like your password. It's the key to your account. If someone knows your PIN, they can access your money. So, it's important to keep your PIN secret. Here are a few reasons why. Your PIN is used to authorize transactions. Every time you make a purchase with your Revolut card or app, you'll need to enter your PIN. If someone has your PIN, they can make unauthorized purchases with your card. Your PIN is used to access your account. If you forget your password, you can use your PIN to reset it. If someone has your PIN, they can access your account and change your password. Your PIN is used to protect your money. If your Revolut card is lost or stolen, your PIN will help to prevent unauthorized transactions. How to keep your Revolut PIN safe. Now that you know why it's important to keep your Revolut PIN secret, let's talk about how to keep it safe. Here are a few tips. Choose a strong PIN. Your PIN should be at least 4 digits long and should not be easy to guess. For example, don't use your birthday or your address. Don't share your PIN with anyone. This includes your family, friends, and even your significant other. Change your PIN regularly. It's a good idea to change your PIN every few months. Be careful when entering your PIN. Make sure that you're not being watched by anyone when you enter your PIN. Use two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account. When you enable two-factor authentication, you'll need to enter a code from your phone or another device in addition to your PIN. I hope this blog post has helped you to understand the importance of keeping your Revolut PIN secret and how to keep it safe. Remember, your Revolut PIN is the key to your account. So, treat it with care. Thanks for watching.